Now let's consider the frequency domain analysis. Suppose we already have a transfer function g of s. If we create a vector omega and multiply it by j and substitute it back to the transfer function, we may get exact values for transfer functions, which are the frequency domain response of the system. And by using this one, I have defined the Matlab function called body, which has the same name as the integer order systems, and still we have to put the function under this folder, otherwise there might be conflict. We have to put it under this folder. And now we can use this function to draw the body diagram for the system. And let's consider the example like this again. And if we define the vector W, we can easily draw the body diagram of the system with the same command as we use in the control system toolbox. So it is a bit slow because in the control system toolbox we use the matrix inverse and some algorithms for integer order systems. However, for fractional order systems we cannot use that algorithm. We have to calculate point by point. So this is the body diagram of the system. And if you zoom certain areas, you will see that the line are with a slope which is not 20 times k dB per decade. The k here might be a non-integer number, so the slope may not be the same for integer order systems. And apart from the body function, I also wrote a few functions called Nyquist, Nichols. So we can draw the Nichols response. And this is the Nichols plot. And also, since this function follows from the original Matlab function defined in the control system toolbox, we can still use command in the control system toolbox to decorate it. For instance, we can use grid to decorate it. And you can also pick point on the we can pick point on top of the response line, response curves, so the Nichols curves, and find information. And this is exactly the function provided in the control system toolbox. So I'm trying to modify the smallest thing. It just slightly changes to the definition of the responses, but most of the facilities are obtained by Matlab command for integer order systems. So in this way, we can find the frequency domain response of the system easily.